Good day, sir. I'm Esa Shunile from BSIT 3F, and I'm here to discuss the background of the stud. 2048 puzzle game can be played by one person. It is a math game but not that hard. It is an offline game where a player doesn't need to use a Wi-Fi or data, but first, someone who will play it needs a network to download it. It has different tiles with just the 4x4 tiles. The player must have a strategy so that the one who plays the game will finish it and reach the 2048 number. The person can move or swipe the tile from left to right and up to down. The goal of the game is to combine number tiles on a grid to create a tile with the number 2048. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 515, and 2048 are the number that the player can see in the game, and if the one who plays has the same number, it need to be merged so that the number will add and need to reach the 2048 so that the game will be finished. If the player is so strategic and wants to continue it, that is not a problem because the game will just go on. But in reality, most of the people who play it just reach 2048 and it doesn't exceed that number. It's pretty easy in reality to finish the game the same day you select it up. It needs simply strategy, knowledge of when to change the strategy, and unlike other games, there is no luck. 2048 is a game that can help someone's brain to function according to the website namebuzzle.com 2014 that Judy Willis says. The number 2048 may appear to be a string of digits, but it is actually a dopamine treasure trove. The dopamine, a very useful neurotransmitter, is also a natural addictive drug. It increases pleasure and perseverance while decreasing stress.
Good day, I'm Prasha Aldin from BSIT 3F and the co-developer of 2048 puzzle game. The main objective of the project is to develop a gaming Android application named 2048 puzzle game to strengthen the user's problem-solving skills, and through playing this game, it will teach that there are steps that must be done in order to solve a problem. Moreover, the user will become accustomed to approaching issues creatively. Specifically, the application was designed to enhance spatial visual intelligence to sharpen the player's memory when trying to recall patterns and visual fragments that have been explored but were unsuitable, to improve players' concentration level, and to enhance eye and hand coordination, which helps to develop the ability to connect what the eye perceives and how the hand responds.
My name is Nolito Ibanez, BSIT 3F, and this is the purpose of the project 2048 puzzle game. The purpose of this project is to create an interactive, useful, friendly version of all popular games 2048 puzzle games. The games will be designed to be accessible to play of all age and scales level, with a variety of difficulty settings and customizing options. The ultimate goals in these games is to provide a fun and engaging gaming experience that can be enjoyed by both casual and serious players alike.
Good day. My name is Joanna May Mendoza, one of the co-developer of 2048 puzzle game. 2048 is a single-player sliding block puzzle game. The goal of the game is to combine number tiles on a grid to make a tile with the number 2048. Every turn, a new tile with a value of 2 or 4 appears at random in an empty spot on the board. However, after reaching the goal, the player can continue to play the game by creating tiles with larger numbers.
Scope and delimitation. Ivan B. Villegas, BSIT 3F. Scope. This application focuses on the 2048 puzzle game, which allows the player to spend their leisure time playing and practicing their strategy skills. The following are the primary benefits of the applications that are expected to be provided by applications. The 2448 puzzle game is a single player. game in which the players slide numbered tiles on a grid to combine them and form a tile with the number 2048. The game is played on the 4x4 grid, and the player can only move the tiles in 4 directions: up, down, left, and right. The player can be decided to continue the game even when the player makes the 2048 tile and can exceed that number. Limitations: the full development of this application might not be achieved within the allotted time frame due to the time constraint that the project developers has encountered. Those limited features can only be utilized on the system. Consequently, the following are the application limitations and key drawbacks. The grid size is limited. The grid in the 2048 game is a fix of 4x4, which means that there is a limited number of tiles available to work with. Tiles can make it more difficult to create the 2048 tile, as there are fewer opportunities to combine tiles. The player can't be able to see the duration of the game. There is a limited amount of space on the grid. As the player combines tiles, the grid can become more and more crowded, making it more difficult to slide tiles around to find opportunity to combine them.